पेड़े में क्या था?
Hi friends, welcome back to my food and cinema series. So today's movie inspired mithai, which is my favorite Peda, is from a funny movie अंधाधुन. तो ये सीन में तब्बू आयुष्मान खुराना को पेड़ा खिला रही है, पर जो पेड़ा मैं बना रही हूँ उसका नतीजा वैसा नहीं होगा. एंड और बेहतरीन बात ये है क्योंकि मैं हूँ तो इस पेड़े में एक चॉकलेट का ट्विस्ट होगा. तो चलो स्टार्ट करें. तो हम शुरू करते. लेट्स गेट द फायर स्टार्टेड. एंड वी विल ऐड द खोया. ये कम से कम पाव किलो खोया है, यानी कि अबाउट 250 ग्राम्स. तो खोया को हम अच्छी तरह से शुगर के साथ हीट करेंगे. ये कम से कम 50 ग्राम शुगर था जो पाउडर किया गया है, so that the sugar melts nice and fast. खोया जैसे पिघलेगा, the sugar and the khoya will mix really well. So it takes a few minutes for the khoya to melt. So guys, I must tell you that while the khoya is melting and the sugar is melting into it, it gets really hot because sugar, when it heats up, really can scald your skin. तो आप बहुत gently उसे stir कीजिएगा, and जब आप शक्कर के साथ में work करेंगे, खोया का ये वाला mixture, just be careful. So मैं ये खोया और शक्कर का mixture medium heat पे cook कर रही हूँ, and इसको about 5 to 6 minutes लगेगा till it leaves the pan. तो अभी ये हो गया है. I am going to switch off the gas before it starts burning. There. So while my khoya mix is still hot, I'm now going to add some cocoa powder into it. So this is about 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. और हम इसको mix करेंगे about 1 to 2 minutes, so it's nicely blended into our khoya mixture. So my cocoa infused khoya peda is ready. I'm going to put it down on the side to let it cool, and then we're going to roll it into delicious pedas. So we need to spread it so it cools really quickly before we roll it. I think it should take around 15 minutes to cool down. So we're going to just flatten it and leave it on the side. However, when we roll the pedas, it just needs to be a tad warm, not hot because it'll be too hot to touch, and definitely not cold because then you can't roll it into nice cute little pedas. So if you enjoy chocolate and dates, please hit the I button and make sure that you will love and give me a thumbs up when you stumble upon the stuffed chocolate date recipe. So हमारा कोको पेड़ा मिक्सचर इज़ नाइस एंड रेडी. हल्का सा गरम है तो it's perfect to roll into pedas. और थोड़ा सा पिस्ता just for garnish. So our delicious chocolate pedas are ready and I want to see कि वो delicious है या super delicious है. There's just a touch of chocolate. I love it because Khoya and chocolate is just outstanding, especially with pistachio. So folks, I urge you to try this recipe at home because ये recipe बहुत सरल है. It is so easy. You're gonna love making it and sharing it with your friends and family. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, send me a comment. I love your feedback and do make sure to share this with your friends. Please hit the bell notification. You will get tons of new recipes which we are working on right now. In the meantime, stay fit, stay fine and see you next time.